Do you know the story of Pavel Belyayev? Today, we're talking about a cosmonaut who had an absolutely mind-blowing experience. A real psychological odyssey up there, hundreds of kilometers from Earth. Hold on tight because this anecdote is going to give you chills. It's 1965 in the midst of the space race. The competition for space exploration is in full swing between the United States and the Soviet Union. It's in this context that cosmonaut Pavel Belyayev is about to experience a mission that will mark him forever. On board Voskhod 2, Pavel and his teammate Alexei Leonov, the first man to perform a spacewalk, are in orbit around Earth. Everything is going as planned until Pavel starts to experience strange symptoms, hallucinations, voices in his head, the feeling of losing his mind. He is convinced that something abnormal is happening aboard the ship. Imagine yourself, alone in space, thousands of kilometers from your planet, with the sensation of going crazy. It's a nightmarish situation, a real test for the nerves. Pavel, fortunately, is a trained man prepared to face this kind of situation. He manages to keep his cool and remember the emergency procedures learned during his training. For several hours, Pavel struggles against his hallucinations and anxieties. He talks to himself. He tries to reassure himself. He concentrates on the tasks to be accomplished. Finally, the symptoms disappear, as they had come. Pavel regains his senses, and the mission continues without a hitch. But what happened? Why did Pavel have these hallucinations? The answer, my dear friends, is as simple as it is complex. Space is a hostile environment for humans. Isolation, lack of gravity, cosmic radiation, temperature variations. All of this can have effects on the human brain. And in Pavel's case, that's what happened. His mind was disturbed by the extreme conditions of space. So, my friends, this is an anecdote that reminds us that space travel is not without risks, even for the most experienced cosmonauts. But thanks to their courage, their determination, and their training, these men and women are capable of overcoming the craziest challenges. And we stay on Earth to admire them and to dream of stars. Subscribe for more anecdotes.